In this video, I'm going to show you how to dim flashlight on iPhone on iOS 18. So the new iOS 18 has a feature that allows you to dim your flashlight instead of using the flashlight directly just like this. So you'll be able to dim the flashlight on your iPhone turning on this particular feature. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do when you want to dim flashlight on iPhone iOS 18 is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down. And here you need to click on accessibility. Now once you click on accessibility, scroll up a bit and then click on motion. Now under motion, locate dim flashlight. Video content that depicts repeated flashlight or strobing light will be automatically dimmed. The video timeline will display when flashlight occurs in the content for supported media. Then go ahead and turn on dim flashlight. So that's all you need to do to turn on dim flashlight on iPhone iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.